and join me for my 5-minute make. Hi, I'm Lynn from Contented Crafts. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share and show you how to make some flowers using vellum and some embossing powders. So I thought I would get on and show you how to make them. So to begin, I've got my vellum inside my stamping platform. I've taken these 3 lovely roundy petal stamps by Sheena. I've also used my clear ink. Now you could use your Versamark, and all I'm doing is pressing the flowers on to my vellum. I'm now taking my Wow bright white embossing powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle this over the top of my flowers, tap off the excess. So I'm just going to put my heat tool on now. I'm just trying to keep it away from my camera. Now the idea is to hold your vellum up so that the air can travel through. And the other thing is, don't overheat your embossing powder, as this will tend to make the embossing powder flake off from your vellum. And also make sure that the vellum isn't heat resistant. If it is heat resistant, basically what will happen is when we come to shape the flowers, they won't sort of curl up and shape. Next, what I want to do is just add a little bit of colour to the back of the flowers. So all I'm going to do is just take my villainous portion and I'm just popping that over the back of my flowers like so. And now I just want to cut them out. Now I've never used distress ink on the back of the flowers in the past, but there's always a first time. So obviously it will give it a distressed look. So I'm just going round my flowers like so. You can use different inks. You can use your pens to colour the back. You could use gel pens, colouring pencils, watercolours. The list is endless of the colour that you can pop on to the back of the flowers. My last little bit is just like so. So all I want to do here is take my flower, and I've got a purple finger. Just pop the petals like so. Now the vellum is robust, so don't be afraid to do this with your vellum. It's not going to tear. My second flower, all I want to do is turn the petals over the opposite way, so going out the way like so. Pop it in your hand or on your little board, and then taking some glue, I just want to pop a dab of glue around center. Take my flower and I'm just going to offset this second flower. Next, I want to pop this lovely glittery gem into the center, and there we go. There you have your beautiful vellum flowers. So here I'm just sharing some other flowers I've made. This one I used my midnight black, pulled the petals of the flower towards the center, popped a pearlized flower in the center, and I haven't coloured the back on that one. This next one I've used my silver dollar flipped the petals towards the outside and popped a gem in the center, and you get a totally different look. And my very last one is an orange brown embossing powder, where I've popped my petals in over. In the center I popped my smaller flower and a lovely little orange sparkly gem. Each one looks totally different with the colours of the embossing powder and whether I've coloured them in or just left them plain on the back. So there's just a few examples of how you can use your vellum and create some wonderful flowers. So that's it for my 5-minute make today. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know which is your favourite flower. And that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Happy crafting and bye-bye for now.